Hello guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel at Peter Nyabohansi. Welcome again. It's a new day. I'm at the back of my home. I'm just rotating and seeing what is going on here. I see there is some cows which have destroyed my things. Like here, there is a tree there. That's I don't know what to call it, but see there, guys. Let us go around and see our village, how it looks like. Come with me, guys. This Napier grass. In the village, you have a Napier grass. There, let's go around. Let's walk together. Let's walk together. No, I've heard it. There is another place where people bathe. Let's go there and see how it looks like. Yeah, come with me, guys. Yes, guys, we are around the village here. Guys, we are on the same village. Yeah, guys. We are at the same village. We are at the same village, guys. Yes, guys. Here's our village. This is our village. Guys, I've heard there is another place of bathing somewhere there where I'm heading to. So I want to go around. And see how it looks like. Yeah, and to go around and see how things are in this village, because this is our village. So we have to go around and see how things are moving. Yeah. Hope, guys, you will follow me back. You will come with me and we will work together so that we can see how things are in some villages like ours here. That's why I've decided to start with our village, so that if I can go to any other village, you people will see how things are in some villages. Yeah, let's go together around and see how things are. Yeah, yeah, guys, let's work together. I've got something there. You know, here in our village, you can automatically get a very big snake around. Yeah, let's walk. I've reached to a river whereby I want to see where people better. Here's the river. Here is the river. So I've seen they've started putting tobacco. They've started putting tobacco here. Yeah, I think here is the place whereby they do betting. Yeah. I don't think he's here. Let us go back and find another way to pass. Huh? This is how what we call a village life. This is a village life. Whoosh. I will pass here inside the maize plantation. Yeah, it is a maize plantation. These are sunflowers. Huh? Yes. Let's yeah. Here is the place. I think here is the place where some people bet. I think here is the place. Yeah. Yes, guys. Here's the place. Here's the betting, a new betting place. They have told me here is where people bet. Betting place, guys. So you stand there, you see. So you stand there and bet. It's just that I don't have a standing stick that I can put my phone there. I will also bet there inside. There is one here, betting place. You see, guys, there's another place where people do bet, and oh, there is another one up there. Okay. Here's another place of betting. Oh, here's another place of betting. People usually bet here. where am I living? I've not seen here for a very long time since I came here. Huh? Guys, there is another place here, a very good one. A very good place of bathing. Yeah? You see, even a soap is here. This is a bathing soap. Here it is. Wow, guys. This is where water comes from. Eh? You see there? It's a very good place. Eh? It's a very good place of bathing also. Oh, let's leave this place. This is a banana plantation. This river, this river comes from up there. Yeah. So it's drained like this, going downwards. Yeah. There is many places of bathing here. You know, see here, guys. Also, truly, you can bathe there. Yeah. Oh. Also, we have a tobacco plantation here. This is a tobacco plantation. Yeah. Wewe, kuna mtu anaoga hapo? Wewe? Yeah. Here is our home ground. Here is our home ground, guys. We also have cassava back here at home. This is a harvesting season. We have not prepared. Others have already prepared their places. Like me, I've already prepared my place. Yeah, but the others have not. No, others have not, like here. And another side, they've prepared it. So guys, that's what we do for a living. It's only planting and harvest. You plant and wait for a season to end and harvest. Yeah, that's the only thing that we are doing here at the village. So guys, let's have fun together and see how the other villagers are. But In the next video, jana kopoa. Yeah, in the next video I'll show you people traditional houses, and I want to see traditional in every tribe here in Africa. I'll go around to see traditional houses, traditional and modern houses here in Africa. Apart from now, the traditional houses, how it was traditional. Yeah, yes guys, let's be together and let's travel together in any other places.